Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Batavia, local and long-distance movers near me. We make certain your long-distance move happens on time without stress. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 3,000 miles away, we will help. Our moving solutions provide you all the best options to customize your move for your specific needs. Along with loading, transportation, and unloading, our team also offers a lot of other moving services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. It's not always simple to rationalize the price when choosing an Illinois moving company. However, following a close look at the main benefits of working with a local moving company, you are going to find that it's likely well worth it. The time savings you get can make using the services of a moving company among the best decisions you've made. You will also get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury for you. Our crew of skilled movers will definitely ensure your move is quite efficient. Moving day becomes much simpler with 3 Movers because we streamline your whole entire move. We can complete even the largest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Batavia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.